Srinyan Sagar Coaching Classes YouTube channel. To get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the next examples of the practice set 4.4 of the chapter Financial Planning, Mathematics First 10 Standard. The next question number 3 is fill in the blanks given in the contact note on sale purchase of share, B for buy and S for sell. Here is number of shares delay 100, B means buys here, and here is 75, S means sell. ME of shares are rupees 45, rupees 200. We have to find out total values, brokerage, 9% GST brokerage on this 9% HGST brokerage, CGST and HGST, and total value of the shares here. Means that you have to find these 5 parts here. Now we have to find one by one. For the first one is number of shares घेतो, number of shares 100 buys घेतो. Mean that these same are buys here, and MV is equals to rupees how much? 45. So first we have to find out here total value of shares. For this I take here 1 is, here is number of shares brought is equals to number of shares brought is equals to 100. At that time MV is equals to rupees 45. Therefore total value of shares is equals to number of share into market value into market value. Number of shares is 100 into market value is rupees 45. Mean that this is rupees 4,500. Mean that our first point here rupees 4,500. Now then we have to find out is brokerage. Second I will take here second brokerage is equals to how much percent? 0.2%. Mean that therefore brokerage is equals to here is the formula total value into rate of brokerage. Now student, here is total value is 4,500 into rate of brokerage is 0.2%. Means that 0.2 upon 100. These 2 0 get cancelled. 45 into 2 is 90. After one digit there is decimal point. Means that how much rupees? 9 rupees. Here is brokerage is 0.2%. Means that rupees 9. Then we have to find 9% CGST. Third point, CGST on this brokerage. Here I will write 9% CGST on brokerage is equals to. Means that you have to find out this CGST such way that 9% on this brokerage means 9 rupees. Means that here is 9% into rupees 9 is equals to 9 upon 100 into 9. Means CGST is equals to 9981 upon 100 is equals to rupees 0.81. Now student, 9% CGST and 9% HGST means that they are same. Therefore the fourth point is 9% HGST on brokerage is also equal to rupees how plus brokerage plus CGST plus HGST is equal to total value is rupees 4,500 plus this brokerage is rupees 9 plus this CGST is rupees 0.81 plus rupees 0.81 HGST plus. Now you have to adding it. Look carefully. Rupees 1 plus 1 becomes 2 here. 8 plus 8 becomes 16, carries 1. Then 9 plus 1 becomes here 10, carries again 1 as it is, then 5 and 4. Means that this is 4,510 rupees 62. Means this total value of the shares is 4,510 point how much? 62. Now this is our first where the shares are buys here, means 100 shares are buys here, then 75 shares are selling. Then for this I have to rub this portion here. Now again we have to solve all such type of these things for this number of shares at selling shares at 75 here, and at that time market value is how much? 200. Then again we write all these answers. Now then for this second, here is number of shares. Here is yes for selling, means that sold, is equals to how much? 75. At that time the market value is how much? Rupees 200. So that first we have to find out total value. Therefore total value of shares is equals to number of share into market value. Number of shares are 75 into market value is 200 rupees. The product is 200 into 75 is 150, and the 0 as it is, means that 15,000. This is the total value, so I have to write here rupees 15,000. Then brokerage on 0.2%. This is first one here. We have to find out second one is the brokerage of this point here. So brokerage is equals to how much? 0.2%. Means that total brokerage is equals to here is total value into rate of brokerage. Here is total value is 15,000 into rate of brokerage is 0.2%, means that 0.2 upon 100. These two zero get cancelled. 150 into 2 is 300. After one digit there is decimal point, means that rupees how much? 30 is our brokerage here, rupees 30. Then 9% CGST on this brokerage. We have to find out 9% CGST. Third point here, 9% CGST on brokerage. Is equals to. Now how to find out this CGST? Is equals to here 9%. Mean that 9 upon 100 into the rate of the value of the brokerage is how much? 30. Mean that into 30. Because on brokerage, mean that into 30 rupees here brokerage. Now when we simplify it, then it becomes 27 upon 10 fourth point is also same. 9% GST on brokerage is equals to also same in that 2.70 rupees. Now then fifth one is total value of the shares. Now look here is equals to, student, here is 9% brokerage, 9% CGST on brokerage is how much? Rupees 2.70. Here is also GST is also rupees 2.70. We have to find out this total value of the shares. Now here is total value. Here look carefully. Here I have minus sign because the shares are sale, mean that sold here. So that we have to subtract these brokerage values, means brokerage plus CGST plus GST. Now this total value is rupees how much? 15,000 minus brokerage is here rupees 30 plus 2.70 plus 2.70 rupees. This total rupees is, here is rupees 15,000 minus, here is rupees, look carefully, this one is 0, 7 plus 7 becomes 14, carries 1, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 and 35.40. Now student, I have to take this subtraction here, 15,000.00 minus 35.40. This subtraction is, okay, we have to take carry from here, here is 4, here is 10, here is 9, here is 10, here is 9, here is 10, here is 9, again here is 10, here is 9, here is 10. Mean that 0, sorry, here is 10, 0 as 0, 10 minus 4 becomes 6, then 9 minus 5 becomes 4, 9 minus 3 becomes 6, 9 as it is, this 4 and 1. Mean that this amount is rupees 14,964 point how much? 60 is the total value. I will write here also rupees 14,964.60. Okay student, this is so simple. We take the next question. Srimati Desai sold shares of face value rupees 100 when the market value was 50 rupees and received rupees 4,988.20. She paid brokerage 0.2% and GST on brokerage is 18%. Then how many shares did she sell? किती shares तिने sell केले, विकले? Now solution of this one is, suppose Srimati Desai sold one share. First we have to find out for this one share. Suppose Srimati Desai sold one share. Brokerage per share is given here. Per share is equals to how much? Rate of brokerage is given. Into market value. Rate of brokerage is 0.2%. Mean that 0.2 upon 100 into market value is given here. How much? 100 rupees. Sorry, market value is 50 rupees. Now, when we divide it, then 5 2s are, then it becomes 0.10 rupees here. 2 1s are 2. Brokerage per share is 0.10. Then GST on this brokerage is equals to, therefore GST at 18% on brokerage of GST into the brokerage per share, mean that brokerage is equals to rate of GST is 18%, mean that 18 upon 100 into this brokerage is rupees 0.10. Then student, when we divide it, it becomes 0.18 plus this into this 0.10, then it becomes is equals to rupees 0.018 rupees. Now then selling price, we have to find out here the selling price of this share. Now you have to find out here selling price. So that selling price of one share, right here selling price of one share is equals to, here is student, market value minus, because here selling price means that marketing value here minus, here is brokerage plus GST. Here is market value is rupees 50 minus, here is brokerage plus GST. Brokerage is 0.10 plus GST is 0.080. Then this one is the 50 minus, this addition becomes 118, 0.118. Student, I have taken subtraction here, in that 50.000 and then minus 0.118. Student, when we subtract, here is carry, here is remaining 10 minus 1 becomes, here is 9, here is 10, here is 9, here is 10, and here is 9, here is 10. 10 minus 8 becomes 2, 9 minus 1 becomes 8, 9 minus 1 becomes 8, point as it is, 9 as it is, and 4 as it is. Means that 49.882. 49.882. This is the selling price of one share. Okay, then suppose that Srimati Desai sold X shares. If Srimati Desai sold X shares, then the selling price is equals to, selling price is equals to number of shares into, here is selling price of one share. Therefore, we have to find out here amount received by Srimati Desai here. Therefore, amount received by Srimati Desai is equals to here selling price of X shares, selling price of X shares, means that number of shares into selling price of one shares. Means that here is number of shares is X into selling price of one share is 49.882, and this amount received by the Srimati Desai is how much? Rupees 4,988.82. 8.20 is equals to x into 49.882. Means that the amount received by this selling is here 4988.20 is equal to x into this value, one share. Transpose here, we get here 4988.20 upon 49.882 is equals to x. Now student, look carefully, 49882, and after here is 2 digit, here is 3 digit. Means that when we multiply it by numerator by 100 and denominator by 1000, then this decimal point is removed and it becomes 10 into this one, so that this value becomes, when we multiply by 100, we get this value of x. Means that x is equals to how much? 100. Means that Srimati Desai sold how many shares? 100 shares. Therefore Srimati Desai sold 100 shares. Okay, we take the next question. Next question of the practice set 4.4. Mr. D'Souza purchased 200 shares of FE rupees 50 at a premium of rupees 100. He received 50% dividend on the shares. After receiving the dividend, he sold 100 shares at discount of rupees 10. 100 shares से discount 10 ने send केले, sold केले, and the remaining shares were sold at the premium of rupees 75. For each trade, he paid a brokerage of rupees 20. Find whether Mr. D'Souza gain or incur a loss by how much. Gain झाला की loss झाला आणि तो किती झाला ते आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. Now solution is, student, here is FE is given here rupees 50. Rupees 50. Then premium is given here 100 rupees. Premium is 100. MV market value is equals to, therefore MV is equals to, we have to adding this one is, mean that FV plus premium is equals to 50 plus 100. Therefore MV is equals to rupees how much? 150. Then investment by Mr. D'Souza is equals to, here is MV is given here 150. Therefore investment for Mr. D'Souza is equals to number of shares into MV. Mean that number of shares into MV. Number of shares is equals to how much? Here is 200 shares. Means that 200 into 150 is equals to total investment is 50 into 2 is 30. Then 1230. Means that how much? 30,000. This is the total investment for Mr. D'Souza. Then student, he received 50% dividend. Means that dividend is how much? 50% of FE is equals to rupees 50. 50% means here is 50 rupees here. Okay, FE is 50. Therefore dividend per share is equals to, we have to find here dividend per share is equals to here 50% of this 50. Mean that 50 2s are 100, 100. Then 2 50s are 25. Rupees 25 per, here is share. Here is total number of the shares here purchase is 200, therefore dividend on 200 shares. Into how much? Rupees 25, mean that total rupees is how much? 5,000. Suppose that this is first dividend received here in that first equation here. Then he sold 100 shares at a discount of rupees 10. Therefore, here is 100 shares sold at 100 shares sold at a discount of 10 rupees, at discount of rupees how much? 10. Therefore, selling price of this 100 share, selling price of 100 shares is equals to here. Look here, here is 100. Total number of shares are 100 and discount rate is rupees 10. Mean that value of this is 50 into 50 minus 10. Mean that into 50 discount is 10. Mean that minus 10. Means here is 100 into how much? 40 is equals to rupees how much? 4,000 is selling price of 100 shares here. Therefore, amount received on these 100 shares is equals to amount received on 100 shares is equals to, here is selling price minus, because here is sale here, so that minus brokerage. Here is selling price is how much? 4,000. Now student, at that time he pays the brokerage, of every trading, mean that sold, and here is brokerage paid is 20 rupees, so you have to subtract this 20. This subtraction becomes rupees, so simple one is 3,980 rupees. Suppose that this is also amount received, so that equation second. Then remaining these 100 remaining shares were sold at premium of rupees 75. Mean that remaining 100 shares sold, remaining 100 shares sold at premium of rupees how much? 75. Therefore, selling price per share is equals to, this is 50 original price here plus this 75, mean that is equals to rupees how much? 125. Therefore, selling price of 100 shares is equals to 100 into rupees 125, mean that this becomes 12,500. rupees. This is also amount, so that this is equation number 3rd here. Then here is find the amount received here. Therefore, amount received on selling 100 shares is equals to, first we have to find out here, here we have to selling price here find. Now we want, so do not take here, we want find out here amount received, so that amount received on selling 100 shares is equals to selling price minus how much? Brokerage. This selling price is 12,500 minus brokerage is how much? 20 rupees. Means that this one is the rupees 12,400 simple one. I have to directly take here 12,480 rupees here. This is amount received, so we take equation third. Then student, here is total amount received is this one and this third one is, therefore from first, second and third, from equation first, second and third, total amount received is equals to total amount received is equals to, we have to adding all this here in that rupees 5,000 plus here is rupees 3,980 plus 12,480. Now this amount is equals to, here is, look carefully, unit place becomes 0, then 10 place becomes here 8, plus 8 becomes 16, carries 1 here, then 100 place is 4, plus 9 becomes 13, plus 1 becomes 14, again 1 carry, then this is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 5 becomes 11, carry is 1, then 1 plus 1 becomes 2, means that 21,460 is the total amount received by the D'Souza. Now here is investment of D'Souza is 30,000, amount received is 21,400, this is less here, so that in this transaction D'Souza having loss and we have to find out its loss here, therefore total investment is rupees how much? 30,000, therefore loss is equals to investment minus amount received on selling. This one is 30,000 minus this 21,460. Now you can directly also subtract this one is, then this amount is, here is 0 as it is, then from this 10 we have to subtract this 6 become 4, then here is 9 minus 6 become 5, then here is 9 minus 1 becomes, here is 8, and 2 minus 2 becomes 0, means that there is rupees 8,540 is the total loss for the Mr. D'Souza. So I have to write answer, loss for Mr. D'Souza is rupees 8,540.